A cousin took care of little Jessie while Jessie's mom, Jerese Hunter, was serving time in prison for abusing her other children. The cousin believes Jessie was indeed a victim of child abuse.
At our function, at our get-togethers, Jessie was not herself. I seen marks on Jessie that led me to believe that she was being abused in Jerese's home.
Police say Jessie's 13-year-old sister told them that Hunter once called little Jessie, we're talking about a 5-year-old girl here, a hoe, and dragged the child into a bedroom where they heard Jessie screaming and crying, and that Jessie was kept in a closet, all because she found Jessie watching TV with a boy. So I want to go to Scott Mason, who is the attorney for the defendant here, Jerese Hunter. It seems like there are plenty of people in this family who are saying that your client had an abusive relationship with the child before she disappeared. What say you, sir?
Well, that's what they're saying. I mean, the problem with what they're saying is there's not a lot of specific facts that support that. She had lived with her kids. I mean, they talk about, you had somebody on there earlier about a mark on Jessie. Prior to that, our Child Protective Services, CPS in Arizona, came out, did an investigation. There wasn't any news. The Glendale Police Department came out with respect to that allegation, investigated. There weren't any issues. So there's been a lot of things a lot of things thrown up here in terms of put things out there, but there really hasn't been a lot of specific factual support behind that.
Well, listen to Jessie's mom, Jerese Hunter, the defendant, the suspect now who is in custody, talk about her love for her children. Mind you, police would tell you that Jessie is already dead at the time that this mother is making this statement.
Not only am I sending a desperate plea out for Jessie, just say it, Lena Louise Shockley, safe return, I'd like to also make a plea for my other children because they are people. They are human beings, all of them, and they need their mom.
All right, Hunter has at least 4 children. She gave birth to her last child right after Jessie's disappearance. And according to the Phoenix New-Times, Hunter bought a bottle of bleach and cleaned her entire apartment and scrubbed her shoes that she kept in the same closet that Jessie was locked in. Again, she is under arrest tonight in her missing child's murder. But, of course, there are many who believe no body, no case, Steve Cardian.
Jane, it's difficult. Law enforcement needs that body to show possible prior injuries to the bones. We know that the tissue is gone. We know that animals scatter the bones. But law enforcement still has to do their due diligence to keep on searching for that child so that they can bring her justice.